Hey everyone, Alex here. Now, today I want to show you, when it comes to cutting a log this way, it's pretty dangerous. Cutting a log this way is just as dangerous. And most of the time we're trying to get as straight a line as possible so that you can basically cut it down the pith for making a bow blank, or let's say you wanted to turn this into some usable lumber. Well, it's difficult to keep that straight because it wants to pull everything in, and again, if it catches, you might as well throw the blade away. It's going to bend it and destroy the blade. So that's why we've got the log mill. Now, the log mill is very simple. The way that it works is it's on a sled, it's got the miter, and we just simply tighten that right into place. That's what holds that log steady so that you can get a good straight cut. So we'll turn this around, and the way that we adjust it side to side is we loosen these two to take off what we want of that log. Let's say that log isn't perfectly straight. It's also angleable. It's a word, you'll use it. So let's get it somewhat square. I'm going to use this log. I've got it set up so that I can turn this into some usable lumber. So we'll set that somewhat square on the log itself. Tighten that into place. Safety first. We'll bring that down just above our work. When's the last time you were able to cut a log that easy? Straight, accurate, and that platform is right close to the blade so that it won't yank everything into the blade. So now we've got the bottom of the log cut, and the reason I say the bottom is we're just going to loosen this and roll that log down. Bring that down once more. Now we've got two sides of that log flat, so we no longer need the mill. We can simply set that mill to the side. We'll just set our mag fence here for about, half inch or so. And again, we want to make sure that we bring that down just above our work. That way we can slab this out. And one more. Just like that, we've got usable lumber right out of the old fire pile.